Hey you guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. This was actually filmed about a month and a half ago when I had those locks, and clearly I have taken them out. So if you missed that video, I'll link it down below. But my scalp was on fire and it was itching, so I decided to use some products I picked up when I was at the beauty supply. And it just so happened to be Shea Moisture products. So I picked up 3 Shea Moisture products. You'll see the other one when I begin to style, and I'm just going to try them out because it's been such a long time since I've actually used Shea Moisture products, and every natural knows this was like the go-to natural hair brand, but times have changed. Different hair brands came out. I know a lot of people feel like Shea Moisture now caters to a different audience. Their ingredients and products just aren't the same. So we're gonna get into this and see if I still like them. So jumping right into it, starting with the shampoo that you guys can clearly see is very lightweight and runny. This is the Cannabis Sativa Hemp Seed Oil Lush Length Shampoo made with ginseng root and horsetail extract. Now, based off of the consistency alone, I was not expecting anything from this. I was like, okay, maybe I should have used this on a different wash day. It even says it's a sulfate-free gentle cleanser, and I needed me a deep cleanse. But as you guys can clearly see, the lather is so good. I really was happy about that. Now, it does just say that it's supposed to deliver a burst of nourishing moisturization to your hair. Yeah, the hemp seed oil is THC and CBD free. This does retail for like 12 bucks. And my overall thoughts on this is this was really, really good. And honestly, I don't think I've really had any complaints with any, if I can remember, of the Shea Moisture shampoos. Their shampoos are always super good, super cleansing, great lather, and give you that cleanse without stripping and drying out your hair. And that's exactly what I got. My hair felt so nice and clean, but my hair was still left nice, soft, and manageable. And I forgot to mention, it smells really good. It's this nice, clean, fresh scent. So I haven't heard of anybody else really talking about this, but this gets a 10 out of 10 from me. So going on to the next product, the Mongongo and Jojoba Oils High Porosity Moisture Replenish Mask with Baobab and Aloe Vera. So if you guys remember, years ago they came out with a low porosity line and a high porosity line, and I don't know if they discontinued both. I know they discontinued this high porosity line, and it seems that they've brought it back. Maybe they've reformulated it, but anyways, it smells so good. It smells so sweet and like fruity. And I remember back when this was like super popular, everybody was using it, regardless if you had high porosity or low porosity. Everybody loved it, and now I see why. I don't know why I didn't use it back then, but I also have been using this consistently since I filmed this initial video. It's just so thick, creamy, moisturizing, softening. The slip is amazing, detangling's a breeze, and it makes my curls pop. Now, of course, this is for high porosity hair. It does say for over processed hair and hair that might be prone to breakage. And even though I have low porosity, this works so good. I love that you can leave it on for just 5 minutes and then rinse, or if you would like, you can leave it on for longer, cover your hair for deeper conditioning. I tend to just leave it on while I'm in the shower, and when I rinse it, my hair is just left so soft, smells good. I think this retails for about like $15, $14, I can't remember. But yeah, this is so good. But I've never had issues with Shea Moisture's mask. When it comes to their regular rinse out conditioners, it's always a hit or miss for me. But their deep conditioners and masks have always been a 10 out of 10 for me, and this one remains true to that. So yeah, so far so good, y'all. I'm going to just put my microfiber towel on. Then when I get out the shower and all that, I'm going to add my Goddess Curls Divine Hair Elixir to my scalp. Rub that on in. The link is in the bio if you're interested in that. And we're going to get right into the prepping so I can use the last products. So I typically don't need to use a leave-in, so I'm using the coconut oil and shea butter with prickly pear curl glam defining cream, and this says it's specifically for wavy and curly hair. It's color safe. The smell honestly reminds me of the palm and cocoa butter. I don't know if it's a stretch cream. I used to love it so many years ago. It was like a go-to. It smells just like that. And it's creamy, but it honestly feels a little lighter than I expected it to, but it still was softening on my hair. It did still feel good and moisturizing. I just expected like a different type of feel. But anyways, this basically just says that it is supposed to help with frizz-prone hair, to help smooth, hydrate, and define, and give you a light to medium hold. I'm just now reading this, so I didn't know it said light to medium, but you guys will see what the hold looks like at the end of the video. So yeah, everything is smooth sailing. Even though it was lighter weight, I did still feel like my curls enjoyed it. They sprung up a bit, and I did think it was still hydrating enough to use on its own. So I'm just going to do a, what is it? A tweed out. I always forget what it's called. So basically I'm just going to braid so far down, and then I'm going to split the 3 sections into 2, which you guys will see, and turn the bottom into a twist. And this just helps me to get a twist out look while getting elongation instead of, you know, my curls shrinking up. So I'm gonna fast forward through this, let you guys see the curl poppage, let you guys see me braid it on up, and then I'm going to just let my hair air dry. I probably popped my head underneath the hair dryer for maybe like 30 minutes. I can't remember, but yeah. Also, I forgot to mention that the Curl Glam does retail for about $14–15. Now this is the next morning. I'm just taking some of my Divine Hair Elixir to my hands so I can rub it on my hands and a little bit on my hair, which is going to help reduce frizz. You guys can see how juicy my little braid slash twist look. So I am just going to take these on down, and you guys can see that the definition was so good. My hair looked good. It felt soft. It looked shiny to me. So I was very, very hopeful for this. So I am just going to go in and start to separate my curls. You know, that's the big test. I'm going to speed past that because I feel like you guys have seen this over and over and over and over and over. So I am going to take a little bit of the Curl Glam defining cream, and please excuse the fact that I have one brow on, but yeah, sometimes, or actually not sometimes, more recently I've been loving to take a little bit of whatever product I used right after I do a twist out and just put some on the ends of certain curls. Now this is not necessary. I did not need to do this. There was nothing wrong with my curls, but it just helps to give like an extra pop, especially in the front, and I feel like the front curls are the most important. So that is just a little tip for me, and you can do this honestly throughout the week if you want to touch up your hair and bring your curls back to life. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to fluff it out, and I'm going to show you guys the final look. Now, this is the final look of my hair, you guys, and I thoroughly enjoyed this wash to style. All of the products were really good, so Shea Moisture still gets a thumbs up in my opinion. Okay, I was not disappointed with any of these products. I would highly recommend them all. The shampoo is perfect if you want that deep cleanse but you don't want your hair stripped. The hair mask deep conditioner is amazing if you regardless, if you just want the hydration, if you have breakage, if you have limp, lifeless, damaged curls, I feel like you could benefit from it. And then the Curl Glam, I will say, even though I did get good moisture from it, it is, on the lighter weight side. So you're not going to get that deep hydration. It doesn't even say it's for dry, brittle hair. So if you're someone who has like dry, brittle hair, you would probably need to pair something with this, but that's just my opinion. But yeah, great wash day, great results. Let me know if you guys are still using Shea Moisture and if you enjoyed this video and my results. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video.